Hello, I would like to introduce JOONGBU University's Korean language training course. In this video, I will give you detailed information on how to apply, the documents you need, and the main contents of the training course. For those who want to learn Korean and Korean culture, please stay with us until the end. Part 1. Introduction to School. JOONGBU University operates as two campuses, Goyang Creative Campus, a living area in Seoul, and Chungcheong International Campus, a living area in Daejeon. If you study with a Korean language training course, you will study at Chungcheong International Campus. If you want to study at Goyang Creative Campus, you can study Korean hard and apply for the undergraduate program at Goyang Creative Campus. Part 2. Duration of operation. The Korean language training course runs 150 hours of classes per semester with a total of 4 semesters. The spring semester is from March to May, the summer semester is from June to August, the fall semester is from September to November, and the winter semester is from December to February. The Korean language training course has a total of 160 hours, and the tuition fee is 1,100,000 won, and the admission fee is 100,000 won. Part 3. Recruitment process and duration. The application process has steps from accepting the list of applicants to enter Korea and picking up the airport. You have to submit the list of applicants 65 days before the start of the class. Non-face-to-face or face-to-face interviews will be held 60 days before the start of the class. Submit the scanned documents 55 days before the start of the class. Put the deposit 50 days before the start of the class and submit the original document. Applicants will apply directly at the Korean consulate abroad until 40 days before the start of the class. We support Korea entry and airport pickup 3 days before the start of the semester. Please prepare the documents in advance before the online interview. Part 4. Eligibility to apply. There are several conditions to enter the Korean language training course at JOONGBU University. The first is the final academic background, and the final academic background can be applied from within 2 years after graduating from high school to within the age of 31 after graduating from college. This is exceptional in consideration of the final academic score, topic series, and interview score. The second is the deposit. Applicants must be able to make a deposit for 1 year of tuition and dormitory fees. 1 year of tuition and dormitory fees are 6 million won. The third is visa rejection and illegal stay history. Visa for Korea, Japan, and the United States should never be rejected, and no illegal immigrants should be among parents, relatives, or friends. The fourth is the final academic performance. Those with a final academic performance score of 65% or higher can enter the school based on their language skills or interview scores. Finally, if you fall under the following items, you can receive preferential treatment. Additionally, if you do not wish to change your qualifications to a D4 visa among F-type visa holders, you can take a Korean language training course. Part 5. Submission documents. Common documents for submitting Korean language training course D4 visa types include an application for admission, a photograph of a half name, an application form for visa issuance, a foreign national certificate, and a birth certificate. In addition, parent job and income verification documents, final education verification documents, and transcripts must also be submitted. The documents vary slightly from country to country, so please check the detailed documents on the school website. Additional documents may be requested and supplemented if necessary, and all documents must be notarized in English or translated into English. And all nationality applicants must apply for visa issuance at the local Korean consulate abroad and proceed. Part 6. Information on dormitory expenses and other additional expenses. Dormitory expenses and other additional expenses are not deposited into JOONGBU University, so they must be paid in cash before arrival or arrival to pay on behalf of other agencies. At the Chungcheong Global Campus, The dormitory fee for a 4-person room is 800,000 Korean won for 6 months, and the annual fee is 1,600,000 Korean won. At the Goyang Creative Campus, the dormitory fee for a 2-person room is 1,300,000 Korean won for 4 months, excluding vacation periods, with an annual fee of 2,600,000 Korean won. At the JOONGBU Global Campus, on-campus cooking facilities are available. Please refer to the image for other additional costs. Until now, we look at the guide video for admission to the Korean language training course at JOONGBU University. If you have any more questions, please contact us on Instagram or Facebook.